Hey, how's it going? It's Tim. I'm a photographer and video maker in the UK. Now tonight I've been out with my mate Reese, who's a real petrol head, and we did some light paintings. We thought, man, if you've got these cool toys, let's do some interesting photos with them. First up, we headed to his garage where he's got an amazing Ducati. So we set it up and thought, okay, let's keep this super simple. The bike itself is the star. So we're just gonna use my light painting stick that I made. It's not super easy to make a video of light painting because you're kind of in the dark with a small light source. But hopefully I've captured it, and check this out. And here's the picture, and it turned out super well. Now we're kind of hyped up by this, might be because we had 12 cups of coffee. So we thought, do you know what, let's take the 911 out and do something even more fun. If you're interested in how to make your own light painting stick, I'll put a card up here and a link below. It's like 15-20 quid's worth of parts, an hour's worth of effort, and it's a super functional piece of kit that you can just chuck in your back of your car and make amazing things with. So I had a background I was happy with. The sort of fiery look was our favourite. And then in the photo we could see what needed filling in still. Now with light painting I'm always a bit cut on whether it's kind of cheating to composite or should do it in one hit. But to be realistic, as long as the picture at the end's cool, that's what matters. So we had the inside light on in the car to light up the inside of the car, create some depth, which is kind of nice. Also had the headlights on, so that's some nice light sources at the front, nice red glow at the back. But the front quarter and the rear quarter were kind of missing, that the wheels weren't picked out. So I painted those in. And also when you're photographing a car, I think a bit of separation from the ground is kind of nice. So just by putting the light stick under the car means you can get a subtle glow, and that just separates the road from the car that bit more. And we did some other shots while we're there. I had this idea of the car sort of pulling out of the driveway as if it's leaving a party. So I light painted it with different colours to give the feeling of sort of party lights, more of a club feel, which is kind of cool. But Reese preferred this one, which is a much cleaner look. And if you have a preference, let me know down below. Any comments about these pictures are always super cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like, and maybe watch another one of my light painting videos. There'll be some links below and probably in cards here to other things. You can see how I made my light stick. You can see other light painting projects we've done, all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, have a lovely week and I'll catch you later. See ya.